Good morning. I am back from DC and I'm about to go out and get my hair done because I haven't had it done since February. It's been way too long, but I do try to get my hair colored in a way that does allow me to let it grow out for a couple of months. So I'm gonna head off. I think that message, actually no, that's my friend. That's not my lift. I'm getting a lift and just going straight there rather than public transport today. I'm taking my big bag with me because I actually need to take my laptop because I have a bit of work to do. I have this little cream and black striped knit that I got from Downtime. I also have these pants from Abercrombie. They're the Sloan pants, and then these sandals that I got from Steve Madden. In fact, this entire outfit is from last week. I did a little bit of shopping before I went to DC, and this is the outfit that I got. I'll have to do a proper Abercrombie haul because I bought a couple of other items as well, and I love them all so much. But I need to run out because I'm gonna be late, and I can't wait to get my hair done. I need it so bad. Happy Friday. I tried to film on Wednesday when I was getting my hair done and I just didn't do anything that day, but I did get my hair done. It doesn't look too different from what it was. It's just a bit softer, a little bit more buttery and blended a whole lot better. I was getting really dark underneath, so we lightened it up just a little bit, but I'm really happy with it. I also got my hair cut. I needed a cut so desperately. I haven't had it cut since February, and that is just way too long to go without getting it cut. It may not look that short, but I feel like it's a lot shorter and I don't like it because I really just want it to be longer. I've been saying for like a year now, just another 2 inches and it'll be fine. I'd like to think another 2 inches and it'll be fine, but it probably won't be. I'll probably keep wanting it to grow forever. But that's my little hair update. I feel great. I feel fresh. I today have had a very slow morning. This afternoon I need to get some groceries and actually get some food into the fridge, and then I think I might duck out and do some clothes washing and like catch up from the trip. I need to unpack my suitcase. It's just sitting over there on the floor, so I need to do that sort of post-vacation reset kind of stuff. And then tomorrow I need to go to the Eaton Center. I need to return a pair of pants. Just before I went away to DC, I did a little bit of a shopping trip. I haven't bought any clothes for a couple of months, like, you know, a bunch of clothes for a couple of months, and I picked up a few things from Abercrombie, Dynamite, and I also got a new pair of shoes, and I'll show you all of those things because I really, really love them. But I do need to return the pants because the hem came undone on them yesterday. No, on Wednesday. I wore the pants on Wednesday. You saw them already. The hem came undone, and I know that's something that happens with the Sloan pant from Abercrombie, but I'm gonna go and return them rather than trying to repair it myself. So need to do that. That will probably be tomorrow's job, which is gonna be a lot for a Saturday to go into the Eaton Center. But if I arrive at 11 a.m. right when it opens, it should be fine. But yeah, I got back from DC the other day. I had the best trip. It was so much fun. Very chill weekend, and I did all of the sightseeing, got to see all the monuments, all that kind of stuff. I posted a couple of pictures on Instagram of my weekend, and yeah, it was amazing. So I am gonna jump up right now, and I'm actually gonna do like a little bit of a clothing haul, like a midsummer clothing haul, and then go and run these errands and get myself reorganized after being away. Okay, I've collected everything for my little haul. It's all very, very neutral, as you can see. I go through phases where I love color, and then other times where I'm like, I just want everything neutral. So these two pieces I've worn, and they're actually a little dirty, so please excuse them. These are still all new and have tags on them, and I did half an online order, half an in-person order. So I wanted a pair of these pants and this dress. These two dresses are actually the same, they're just different sizes. This one fit me. This one I didn't even bother trying. I bought those in an online order hoping they would arrive before I left. Thankfully they did, but I actually found the pants in store in the size that I wanted. Those ones are a size smaller, and then I bought this dress in store and I don't really like it, and then the tops, I don't know. You know what, I'm just gonna start showing you what I've got. First up are these linen wide leg pants. They're actually supposed to have a crease right down the front, but I had to steam them this morning and the crease is kind of gone. They need an iron, just because an iron's gonna be better at fully getting rid of all the creases because they're thick and they're linen, but they've got pockets, belt loops, super comfortable. Also, when I buy Abercrombie pants, I get the regular length, and I am 5'4", and they hit pretty much just right on the ground, which is perfect for flats. And then they're also a good length that I think I could get away with heels if I really wanted to as well. But that's the first item that I purchased. This top is just from Kookai. It's actually a bodysuit. Had it forever. It's got like a nice square neckline. But that's the first piece. Let's get into the rest. I think my favorite item that I purchased is this stripy knit top. This is from Dynamite. It actually does come in a slightly different color and stripe pattern, but it is so cute. I have worn this like 3 times in the last week since I've had it. I love it so much, but it does need to be washed this afternoon. The next thing that does need to be washed, so please excuse if you can see any like fake tan marks or anything on it, is this dress here. Now this is the first dress that I saw online and just thought this is just the cutest, easiest to throw on summer dress. I like things that have like a little bit of texture or structure or just some sort of detail to them. So it has these kind of really cute puffy sleeves, and then it's just stretchy across the bust as well. And it is a short little dress. Best part is it has pockets. This is also a linen type material. And yeah, I purchased 2 of them and I went with the small. I didn't even bother trying on the extra small. Because I wasn't sure if the dresses would arrive before I left, I went in store just to have a look anyway. They didn't have that dress in store, but they had this one, and it's really similar, different fabric. It has pockets as well, puffy sleeves. This is so adorable, but I just feel like it's almost just a bit too cutesy for me, and it also is kind of a little bridal. So if you are a bride and you're looking for a really cute little white dress, this is it. Like, it's very, very cute and I love it, but I am going to return this one. This top I got in store, and it's like the top version of the dress. So the same sort of sleeves and whatnot, also really, really cute. It is a different fabric. It's the same kind of cotton fabric as the dress I just showed, not the linen fabric of the dress that looks the same as this. Am I even making sense at this point? I don't know, but really cute. I still have the tags on it. I think I'm gonna keep it, but I'm not gonna take the tags off until I'm 100% sure. The other top that I grabbed at Dynamite is this little strapless one. It did come with straps, but the straps I didn't like because you could actually see the little metal hooks, and I didn't like that. I think that was a weird thing. I don't know why they did that, but it's really cute, right? It's got like this frilly textured detail at the front. My new black summer sandals, I got these from Steve Madden. These are so incredibly comfortable. They like buckle up around the ankle. I mentioned back in April I wanted new sandals for summer. I got my white slides from Nordstrom, but I picked these up. These are just so comfortable. I have worn them many, many days in a row, and I haven't had any blisters. I haven't had to wear them in, anything like that. And then the last thing I got are the Sloane pants in like the light beige color. I love these. Again, I get them in a regular, so they just hit the ground. But when I was out getting my hair done, the hem came undone. And so I think I might just take these back tomorrow and be like, hem came undone. There's literally reviews on the website that say the hem comes undone. I just didn't think it would happen to me. I could have these pants in every color. They're so comfortable. This is a 27, which I found in store just by chance. It actually said they were completely sold out online. So it was just one of those things that was just meant to be. But I do have a 26 here, and I'm almost tempted to try the 26 and just see how they go. They don't look too terrible. They fit really nicely around my butt and like in this area, but they are a little tight around the waist. I've talked about this before, but it's really annoying because I hold my weight in my stomach, which means whenever anything fits me here, it's too big on my legs, and whenever anything fits me on my legs, it's too small here. And this, when I relax, it cuts in a little bit. It's just a little bit too small. So I definitely prefer the 27. I checked online. Apparently they have more stock in store in a 27. So hopefully tomorrow I can go and exchange the ones where the hem came undone because I like them. I just like these pants. They're so comfortable and I think they look really good. I did a terrible job at getting groceries. I didn't write a list, so it's a bit of a mismatch, and I forgot bread, but it's fine. I can always pick it up tomorrow. I grabbed some flowers to take to my friend Hannah's place though. As I said, just such a random bunch. I grabbed a bit of chicken. I didn't want to get too much because I actually have some in the freezer, but I need some for later this afternoon. I have some olives, some chickpeas, green beans, dill, a lemon, 3 potatoes, capsicum, some tomatoes, and 2 avocados. They're actually pretty ripe. This one's not, but I'm gonna put it in the fridge to hopefully slow it down a little. This one definitely needs to be eaten tomorrow, but I have a few things that will give me a few salads and dinners and whatnot. I just need some bread to be able to make breakfast, and I'll be good for a couple of days. It's such a little amount at the moment, but it's fine. I can pick up some stuff later. I just wasn't thinking about it today. I also forgot to get eggs because I have 2 left and a red onion, but there's a quarter of an onion there, so I'm fine for now, but definitely forgot a few things. I am just running a few curls through my hair. That bottom piece looks like, oh no, that's just a piece I haven't done yet. Yeah, it's just a piece I haven't done yet. I was like, oh, that bottom piece fell out. No, I just haven't done it yet. Yeah, I'm just gonna run a few curls through my hair. I have no idea what I'm gonna wear. Probably something that's just black or white, or black and white, because that's my color palette right now. And I might wear heels because I have not worn heels anywhere in ages and I miss wearing heels. But I feel like it's just such a thing these days to wear flats. Whenever I go out, everybody's wearing flats or sneakers, and I've noticed myself that I've started to wear flats. Not sneakers out at nighttime, but I wear sandals. I guess that's just a new observation I've made lately about the way that people dress and they go out in the evening. Okay, so I do have a little bit of a question for some of you because I'm curious and I would love for you to share your experiences and your stories. But this is a topic I literally never talk about. Like, I usually keep this stuff locked down, but I am seeing someone and he is an incredible man. I feel so just calm and safe and just like, in my opinion, the things that you should feel with someone, you know? And it's amazing. But I have been on my own for so long. I am so used to being alone that it has been a bit of an adjustment having someone around. And I'm just wondering, are there any people out there who have done that? Have you gone from being alone for so many years and then you meet someone and then they're there and it's just different? And it's not bad, like by any means, it's not a bad different, it's just different. And sometimes it's a little bit like, I don't know what to do with myself and I don't know what to do with this because I'm not used to leaning on someone. I'm not used to letting someone look after me or have someone in that capacity. And it's just different. And he knows this, we've talked about it, you know, communication is key, so he knows how I feel. But I was just so curious if any of you have been through this and you just had to figure out how to adjust to having someone come into your life. So yeah, it's different. Just different. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, and you know what I have to say on this topic? It's so annoying when people say things like as like a almost generalization and a very almost cliche thing to say, like things along the lines of like, oh, it'll happen when you least expect it. It always annoys me when those things actually turn out to be true because I did not see this one coming. Like it just came out of nowhere. I did not expect it at all. And now here we are. And it's just, it is crazy how fast your life can just end up in a new direction without you even like seeing it coming. It just happens. And life is just so weird and funny like that, you know? Here's my little get ready with me station. I've touched up my makeup. I'm now just doing my outfit. I have my Kukai pants on. They're very long, so I have to wear heels with them. And then I also have my strapless top on with the frill down the front that I was talking about before. And I think it looks really nice. I don't think there's an issue here like I thought there was. My only issue is that maybe just because it's the end of the day and I'm a bit more bloated, these pants are really tight and I don't know if I'm finding them comfortable right now, and it might be better to put white pants on. I don't know. Oh, also I forgot, I have to show you my dress for the wedding. I picked it up when I was in DC and I had like the blue one and the turquoise one. The blue one was not blue, it came out like purple, and I have the turquoise one with me. I do need to alter it just a little bit. I was gonna say remind me tomorrow to show you, but I know you can't remind me, but remind me tomorrow, I'll show you. I think I'm gonna keep the pants on. They're not like uncomfortable now that I've been wearing them. I have like my gold heels with them, which I need to actually tighten the straps up a little. I also just have to cut the tag off, so this could be a really dangerous thing. Am I doing it? Got it. I'm going to take off my Apple Watch, put on my little more dainty looking one, which is from Nord Green. I have hair in my hands. Put my rings on. I had them all stacked on one finger before, which is sometimes really comfortable. If I get irritated by them being on all of my fingers, I just stack them onto one finger. But there we go. We have rings, we have a watch. I'm just trying to decide if I should put like a necklace on. I'm not gonna change my earrings. These are the earrings I literally wear every day. I have them linked in my videos every single time because they're the best. They're from Amazon and they were like $12 US or something. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna leave it because the top meets the top of the pants, which I like, means everything is covered. These pants obviously highlight this bit of my belly, but like it's normal. It's supposed to be there, so I'm not trying to hide it. And I think I'm good to go. I'm gonna take my black on black YSL bag and I'm gonna head out. Good morning. Hannah and I didn't actually go out last night. This kind of happens sometimes. I went over, she made us some martinis, and then we got comfortable, and so we just stayed in. Even though we were all dressed up and looking really cute, we just stayed in chatting, and it was really nice. But then a little bit of drama later in the evening. I was about to order an Uber, and I look up to my left and I'm like, I'm pretty sure that building's on fire. Like, that looks like smoke. So I ended up calling 911. I had to wait out in the car park to like direct the trucks because I didn't actually know the address of the building that was on fire. And that's what the 911 operator told me to do, was to just wait there and then point them in the right direction. But by the time the trucks got there, which was only like 5 minutes later, there was a lot more smoke, so they kind of knew where to go, but I just kind of pointed and they went and figured it all out. But that was a bit of an interesting ordeal at like midnight last night. Anyway, I am up, I have my makeup done. I actually spent like an hour on the phone to my friend this morning back from Melbourne. I almost forgot about that. I feel like this day is turning into a bit of a blur. I have the same top on from yesterday, although I have some toothpaste on it that I need to get rid of. I just figured because I was kind of just around the house yesterday, I just wear the same thing. Like, it's not like I was sweating or anything like that. I have jeans on today though because it's been raining a little bit, and if I wear flowy pants, they're just gonna get wet. But I'm gonna throw on my sandals, grab my bag, the clothes that I need to return. So we're going to Abercrombie. I need to go to Sephora as well. I think that's it. And then I'm gonna come back and then maybe go and do some clothes washing this afternoon and sort of tie up the last of the little errands and stuff that I want to do to make myself feel more organized now that I'm back from DC. I got my clothes, I have the receipts at the bottom, I have my headphones because I always listen to music wherever I go. I just need to grab my Presto card so I can jump on the train, and I think that's everything. This is today's outfit. Very, very simple. I might just grab my denim jacket to take with me, but I'm not going fancy today. This is just a little casual. Okay, I am back. I somewhat regret going into the Eaton Center on a Saturday. It was so busy. I just went to the supermarket on the way home as well and picked up a couple of things. I got myself some little Coke Zero cans. I also totally treated myself to 3 blocks of chocolate because they're 3 for $7 at the moment. I also got some English muffins. I got a big coconut water, and I also got some pierogies as well. I managed to change over the pants, so I have brand new Sloan pants, which I'm really excited about. I still think I'm probably gonna get them in like most colors because they're just such a nice fit. I also grabbed 2 things from Sephora, which I got the retinol 1% in squalane and the hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary. I had run out a little while ago and I've been just using moisturizer, and I can tell the difference in my skin and I don't like it. And then I think that's it. And I took my umbrella with me and I actually used it. I was pretty pleased with that. I felt very well prepared. Anyway, I'm exhausted. It is Saturday afternoon and I just kind of want to chill. I am going to procrastinate on going and doing my clothes washing. I think I'm going to do like a full Sunday thing tomorrow and like do that instead. I'm going to put this away, and I just saw something on Instagram and I kind of want to watch The Sweetest Thing, or just watch a movie, or I've got to get into my gym leggings. I need to get comfortable and just kind of chill out.